on the uses of a MIG welder. Next stage is how to create a puddle welded joint. Now this joint becomes important when perhaps for some reason you cannot weld around the edge of your workpiece, or perhaps it's concealed so that you can't get to it to weld around it, or you just don't want weld there. So the idea is you drill holes into the piece you want to attach, position it onto your workpiece where it's required. You can simply hold it in place with the earthing clamp. If it's not a vital positioning or where it stays there very easily, the earthing clamp is more than enough to hold it in place. So we then turn to the welder, and what we're going to do is, rather than weld around the edges of this piece of steel, we're going to attach it by welding through the holes that I've drilled. So we're going to be welding in here.